49 is a 2003 Nissan Maxima. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission, 2575 North Las Vegas speed. I got 150 about 135. I got 150 about 135. I got 150 about 135. 150. Item number 24, 2003 Ford Explorer pick 'em up truck. Check it out. 6-cylinder automatic transmission, got $173 PC. Beautiful looking little truck here. Check it out, check it out. All right, here we go. $300 about 3.25. I got 3 about 325, about 350. I got 325, 350 on. Item 23, folks, 23. Well, if I don't know who was driving, I don't know why you think about it. All right, item 21. Item 23 is the 2001 Chevy Silverado. Check it out, folks. Check out the wheels on this thing. All right, nice little big truck. Got a $69 TV, $69 TV. Check it out, check it out. Nice little truck here. All right, $300 on about 3.25.
4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. Item 25 is the 2005 Mercury Sable. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a $173 QC. 150 about 135. I got 150 about 135. 135. One line about 2. I got 175. Item 22, folks, 2004 Los 24 Honda Santa Fe. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, check it out. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here. 150 about 135. I got 135 about 2. I got 200 about 2.25. I got 2 about 2. Item 31 is the 2001 Dodge Durango. Got a 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, folks. Nice looking good SUV. All right, all right. 175 about 2. I got 135 about 200. Got 200 about 2.25. I got 220. 4, 5, 8. Check it out, folks. Item number 40 is a 2001 Mercury Mountaineer. Looks like it's closed, but it's not. There we go. There you go. Got an 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a $173 PC. 175 about 200. I got 175. I got 2 about 2.25. 2.25 right there. How about 250? Hey, little folks. Item 19. A 2000 GMC 6500. Now this is the mother-in-law and father-in-law section. You want to hold back in there. Alright. There we go. This doesn't look how you out back. Oh, here we go, here we go. Let me back it up out of the way here. Hey, the refrigerator's full. We're able to get the fridge in. All right, item 48. 2004 Windstar. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a what? 2575 folks. Las Vegas speed. Don't close the door. You got your hand in there. All right, here we go. I don't know why it hurt. I got 150 about 135. I got 150 about 135. 175 there. How about 2? 200 there. How about 2.25? 2.25 about 2.5. 2.5 right there. How about 2? What? You can't wait till the last second, man. Don't wait. Gotta go once, twice. Gotta go. Gotta go. I'm no only witness the count, buddy. All right, item 41 is the 2006 Chevy Impala. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a $173 TQ. All right, here we go. 175, about 200 online. How about 24? I got two. How about 225? I got 200. Ready. Item number 30. Item number 30. 2006. Ford Taurus. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a $173 TC. Check it out. Only 142,000 miles. Check it out. 150 about 175. $200 about 225. I got 225. 3. How about 3? 10 miles. 10 mile radius. 10 miles for 50 bucks. Tell me you want 10 miles. Item 38. 2002 looks Buick Century. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a $69 TC. Check it out. Not a bad little car here. Here we go. 150 about 135. I got 150 about 135. I got $150. 175 about 2. I got 175 about 200 about 2 1/4. I got 2 about 225. I got, come on now, it's only a quarter. I got 200 about 2 1/4, 2 1/4 about 2 1/2. I got 2 1/4 about 2 1/2. I got 225 about 250, 225. What? Go! This other guy's a big, I don't want him to stay on the street. Item 32. 2000.
725.
496. He's got a radiator leak. We want to get it through in the carriage. Item 34, get it through here. 2002 BMW 325 496. And we're cleaning the steering wheel on this. I just put it out. Item 29 to 1995. Chevy Cavalier. Got a 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out. All right, look at that. All right, here we go. 95 Chevy Cavalier. 125? 125, about 150, got 125, about 150. 125. 150 there, how about 175? I got 150. Item 33. 2005 Ford Crown Vic. Got an 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out. Here we go on a forklift since it's got a bad fuel pump. Check it out. 225 about 250, got 225, 250 about 275, 275, 3. Got 300 about 3 1/4, I got 325 about 350, 350 about 350.
El año pasado estuvo bien,
Item 47. 2000 Lincoln Continental. Got an 8-cylinder automatic transmission. $173 for the seat. $173. Check out this good looking Lincoln here. All right. 175 about 300. I got 175 about 3. I got 200 online about 3 1/4. I got.
Ya no debemos saber. Solamente saber porque yo conozco un señor que hace las llaves.
2007 Dodge Charger. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out. $276 for the key. $276. 457? 466. Woo! I know it's a tight fit in there. like a commercial in there. Item 21 is that 2008 HHR Chevrolet style. Oh, that was good now. There you go. You got to move the seat back. All right. 2008 Chevrolet HHR 4-cylinder automatic transmission. $173 for the key. Check that out. That is nice. All right, here we go. 300 about 3 and 4. I got 325 about 350. 325 number 4 about 350. 476. Item 46 is the 2001 Nissan Maxima 6-cylinder automatic transmission at $173 CP. Check it out, folks, check it out. 200, how about number 4, 2 and 4, about 2.5. I got 225, about 250 on the 4, about 2. Check out the movie. All right, item number 20 is a 2012 from Mingote. Mazda got a 4-cylinder automatic transmission. 2575. No stock, right here. Got a 248. Item 27, folks, is the 2008 Chevy Malibu. 4-cylinder automatic transmission, $173 for the keys. $300, how about 3 and 4? I got 3 and 4, 3 and a half, about 375. I got 375, 400, about 4 and 4, I got 425, 450, about 475, 500, about 500, 600, about 3. Transmission. 4, 5, 4.
Running kind of rough. John running kind of rough. I ain't gonna front.
Item 28, folks. Item 28 is that 2006. Those speed stations. Nissan. That ground.
Good looking out, man. Appreciate you.
$300 about 3.5. 3.5 over there, about 4. 400, 4.5, 500. 4, 5, 2. Item 35. Item 35.
When they come up, you see
What I got
you see this Nissan that'll put up. It'll have the mileage in the right, like right in front of the driver's side. So like if you look through the window, like right here, if you back up a little bit, you can probably see the mileage on this one. You see the numbers in the front window. Look like it say 194. Oh wow! Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I bid it too much on that one. I shouldn't have bid it that high, but you live and you learn, man. You know?
Item 44 is the 1989 Yamaha XT250. Check it out, folks. Yeah. Hey, it's run. Here we go, here we go. How about $1,000?
You like look in the window.
Tell shit.
Oh, look at this Dave. Dave, you got one of these colors?
132,000
You got
miles.
one that color?
It's a stick shift though. I'm cool. Nah. Not everybody can drive a stick, so when you sell it, it's a little bit harder.
36 is the 2002 Volkswagen 4-cylinder manual transmission. My God, got a $288 piece.
Yeah.
$288 piece.
Yeah, I'm cool on the bug.
That is cool looking.
Yeah, for sure. one's got 119,000 miles.
Item 43, item
Wait,
43.
142
Yeah.
of
2012 was Nissan Sentra. Got a 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Got a 2575 torque rated speed and a $288 fee.
It's 142 on the miles.
4-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, check it out. 400, how about 4.5? I got 4 about 450. I got 400 about 4.5. 4.5.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what they got this weekend. I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna be there.
Oh, okay, cool then. Yeah, that'll work out, man.
132.
We got my favorite car coming in. The last one. Item 45. 2008 Copart. Cadillac SRS. Got an 8-cylinder automatic. SRS 8-cylinder automatic transmission. This has a $173 fee. Check this Cadillac out. Beautiful looking little car. Little SUV. Here we go. $800. How about 8.5? I got 8. How about 850? 850 over there. How about 9? I got 850 about 900 about 900.
Damn, 3,300 for that Cadillac truck. Wow. Alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You see, we came out to the auction, see what most of these cars went for. I did win a little Buick Century for 225 bucks, man. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna go pick that joint up and see how bad or how good it is. If you're wondering what car I'm talking about, be sure to tune into the video from yesterday and check that out.